The HP Latex Print and Cut solution is called a solution because we take 4 different components and then integrate and make them harmonious together so that everything works easy and seamlessly. But also, we want to make sure that you achieve the maximum amount of productivity. We always want to ensure that not only are things easy to use, but they are effective and productive. And that's what we've done with this HP Latex Print and Cut solution. The first part of the solution is our wonderful latex printers, which the latex technology is now in its 10th year anniversary. This is a wonderful technology. It has all the benefits of latex, water-based, anti-scratch Gen 3 inks, no need to wait for lamination, hundreds of media locator presets available to you. Next, we have an HP Suma-powered cutter. Now, Suma is a legendary cutter company, and they make fantastic high-quality cutters. We've partnered with Suma to make a cutter that is integrated into our system and even takes advantage of a special HP barcoding system, which makes sure that every job you run is accurate the first time and the right registration. Next, we integrate the 2 of those with a software called SAI Flexi. SAI Flexi is a fantastic open architecture software that has both the design software and the RIP software integrated together as one software. And then lastly, we take it that one step further and provide an HP cloud-based application suite that both you and your customers can take advantage of to design files and then send those files to the HP SAI Flexi software. Together, all of those components are referred to as a solution.